XProtect Access Control helps clients recognize, react to, and investigate incidents as a coordinated team. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to set up an access monitor on the Live tab in the Smart Client. In the Smart Client, on the Live tab, click Setup. In the Views pane, select the view you want to add an access monitor for. In this case, we'll click Lobby. In the System Overview pane, we need to drag the access monitor into a view item. In this example, we'll drag it to Main Entrance 1. In the Access Monitor Settings dialog box, specify the door you want to monitor and associate. Let's click the Door drop-down list. We'll click Front Door. Click the access controller you want. In this case, Axis 00408 CEC D8E3 Access Controller. Click Door. Click the Events drop-down list to see the enabled events and alerts. Click the Events drop-down list again to close it. We'll click OK to save the settings. And then we click Setup to return to live mode. You just saw how to set up an access monitor on the Live tab in the Smart Client. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.